My name is Lauren Petty and I am the Math Department Chair at UHS. This video will go over the courses that the Math Department offers. All high school students need 4 credits of math to graduate. At UHS, we have 2 math tracks that will help students meet this requirement. The non-honors math track will have students take Algebra 1A during their freshman year, Algebra 1B during their sophomore year, geometry during their junior year, and then Algebra 2 or statistics and probability during their senior year. Algebra 1A and Algebra 1B is a 2-year course sequence which splits all topics from Algebra 1 into 2 years. We've found that when we split the Algebra 1 material into 2 years, it helps students who struggle with math master the content. Students will take Algebra 1A during their freshman year and get 1 credit for that course. And then students will take Algebra 1B during their sophomore year and also get 1 credit for that course. At the end of Algebra 1B, students will also be required to take the state Algebra 1 end of course test. During their junior year, students in the non-honors math track will take geometry. At the end of that course, students will also have to take an end of course geometry state test. Then during their senior year, students do have a choice as far as which math course they want to take. They can choose between Algebra 2 and Stats and Probability. Algebra 2 is geared more towards students who plan on doing something with math after high school. It is more algebra-based. Stats and Probability is geared towards students who do not plan on doing something with math after high school. In Stats and Probability, instead of focusing on algebra, they'll focus on analyzing data and drawing conclusions from data. Our other math track is the honors math track. With the honors math track, some students will start by taking honors algebra 1 in 8th grade, honors geometry in 9th grade, honors algebra 2 in 10th grade, pre-calculus in 11th grade, and AP calculus in 12th grade. The other option with the honors math track is students will take honors algebra 1 as a freshman, honors geometry as a sophomore, honors algebra 2 as a junior, and pre-calculus as a senior. With this option, students do not have the ability of taking AP calculus in high school. The honors math track is designed to help prepare students for college. In Honors Algebra 1, students will cover similar topics that they do in the non-honors course, but the teachers will be able to go deeper with those topics. Students will still have to take an end-of-course Algebra 1 test at the end of this course. The same thing applies to Honors Geometry. Students will cover similar topics in Honors Geometry as they do in regular geometry, but the course will be more rigorous and the teacher will be able to go deeper with those concepts. At the end of that course, students will also have to take a state end-of-course geometry test. From Honors Geometry, students will go to Honors Algebra 2. This is the first course where students are required to have a graphing calculator. At this level, the focus is ACT and SAT preparation and college and career readiness. Students who successfully complete this course are expected to take pre-calculus. Pre-calculus is designed, as I mentioned before, for students who are college-bound, and in particular, students who are planning on majoring in something related to math or science in college. Again, students will need a graphing calculator for this course. If students complete this course as a junior, they do have the option of taking AP Calculus as a senior. Again, students have to have a graphing calculator for this course, and the teacher will spend this year preparing students for the AP Calculus test that the students are required to take at the end of the course. Students can earn college credit based on the score that they receive on the AP Calculus test. Sometimes we have students who choose to drop down from the honors track to the non-honors track. For those students, we do offer another course called CCRM. This course is designed for students who are planning on attending college, but who are not interested in taking pre-calculus or AP calculus. This will give students an opportunity to keep up on their math skills during their senior year of high school before they graduate and go to college.